Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh, and greetings to all. Dear friends, colleagues, presenters, participants, committee, and all who attending this virtual international conference on communication, management, and humanities, ICCOMAH 2020. I am Muhammad Syuhadak bin Muhammad Noor on behalf of my colleagues Muhammad Noor Hisham and Zawati Zulkafli. We are from Commerce Department, Politeknik Ungku Omar in Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. Today, I would like to present our paper for ICCOMAH 2020 on title The Awareness of Takaful Insurance among lecturers and students in Politeknik Ungku Omar PUO. First of all, I would like to thank the organizer of ICCOMAH 2020, International Conference on Communication, Management and Humanities, for this opportunity to participate and present the summary and important findings of our research. To start with, what is Takaful? Generally, Takaful is a form of Islamic insurance that provides simple, affordable protection in keeping with Islamic Sharia law. Everyone contributes a monthly donation for their plan to a central pool, and the money is then used to cover claims. There are many verses from Al-Quran that explain the concept and worldview of takaful, such as Allah said in the Al-Quran, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ. Help one another in furthering virtue and Allah consciousness, and do not help one another in furthering evil and enmity. Surah Al-Ma'idah verse 2. Takaful is a form of mutual help in furthering good virtue by helping others who are in need or in hardship. So the introduction of Takaful is the Islamic version of the conventional insurance. It is based on the concept of the cooperation and mutual assistance, where members agree to contribute money into pooling system in order to guarantee each other against loss or damage. The phrase takaful is derived from the Arabic verb kafala, which absolutely means to take care of one's needs. Takaful brand insurance is based totally on Sharia, Islamic spiritual law, and explain how it is the responsibility of humans to cooperate and protect each other. Then, our problem statement for the research is, first, many people out there from all walks of life still not sure what takaful insurance is. And second, this gives good opportunity for us to study the people's knowledge and awareness on takaful. Next, we go to research objective. First, to identify dependent variable, awareness, and independent variable, perception, demand, and acceptance towards takaful insurance among lecturers and students in Politeknik Ungku Omar PUO. And then to determine the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable under the study. Now, we see the research frameworks. This picture shows the framework of independent variable and dependent variable on the awareness of takaful insurance. Independent variable, perceptions, demand, and acceptance. Then a dependent variable is awareness of Takaful insurance. So next, literature review. So this is a literature review for independent and dependent variable. First, DV, awareness. Noor Ismail mentioned that majority of the respondents are aware of the existence of the insurance products in the market. Only a minority of the respondents are not aware of the emergence of Takaful products. Then, second, IV, perception. Kamara Arifin Mansur said that the finding indicates that perception and religious factor play a significant influence toward preference in Takaful product. And then IV, demand. Ahmad Shukri Yazid said that the finding from the study shows a positive relationship between life insurance demand and the level of financial development.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Noor bin Manaf. Okay, I will continue for the finding for this study. Okay, we look for the finding under the respondent profile. Okay, the questionnaire has been distributed to 215 respondents among student and lecturer. From 215 respondents in the research, only 166 respondents complete to fill out the survey form and they have been distributed. Okay, the table show the profile under the study. Okay, the result show. Okay, for the gender, the female is 7.23% and the male is 27 and 7%. Okay, for the status, we can see that 79.5% is student and 20.5% is lecturer. Okay, and we have for the years, for the age, okay, the mostly the respondent is from 18 to 30 years old, which is 81.9%. And for the races, the dominant is Malay races, which is 124 respondent, which is 74.7%. Okay, for descriptive analysis, this one is for 166 respondents was obtained from the questionnaire based on frequency and mean of the main research variable. Okay, descriptive analysis using mean score, frequency, percentage, chart, and cross-tabulation analysis of each independent and dependent variable focus on this study. Okay, the intention is to answer the 4 main research questions, and the result on the survey was also pretended using suitable chart and okay, this one for awareness, we can see that the most strongly agree is 55.42%, show that strongly agree with overall mean is 3.53. Okay, is the one the first variable. Okay, for the second variable is perception. Okay, the most dominant is 54.82%, the strongly agree. Okay, for the variable for the demand, 51.20% is strongly agree. Okay, the last variable is acceptance. We can see that the strongly agree is 54.22%. Okay, for the correlation analysis, the table show analysis between independent variable and dependent variable under the study. Okay, the table show acceptance of Takaful of the highest significant correlation coefficient is 0.776 is for awareness and acceptance. Okay, for demand is 0.705 and the perception is 0.708. Okay, This one we simplify the correlation interpretation. I can see that overall the variable is under median correlation, which is 0.50 until 0.7. Okay, for discussion, recommendation and conclusion, the first one we look for the first variable, which is awareness. We can see the overall mean is 3.53. It's parallel to finding by Noor K. Ismail 2012, supported by Kamel, Neil, Muhammad and Noor Nosham Timan 2014. Majority of the respondents are aware of the existence of insurance product in the market, but only a minority of the respondents are not aware the emergence of Takaful product. Okay, but the second variable is perception. You can see the overall mean is 3.48, and third variable is demand. Overall mean is 3.48, and the last variable is acceptance. The overall mean is 3.49. Okay, for recommendation and suggestion, okay, the first promote an awareness of Takaful insurance, uh, like protection plan to suit customer need, like motor Takaful, car Takaful, home coverage and many more. Or I mean the widest atau or extend the whatever the Takaful product. Okay, the second recommendation is raising the standard of customer service, like improving the customer service skill, like communication skill, and also deep knowledge about the Takaful. And the last recommendation and suggestion is to increase the acceptance of people toward Takaful insurance, like by increase the promotion and interesting method to raise the acceptance of Takaful by approach them with different way that make they accept the existing of the Takaful. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.